Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the very popular hymn, Love Lifted Me. The lyrics were written by James Rowe and the music was written by Howard E. Smith around 1912. In my description below, you can download the lyrics and chords that I'll be using to teach you this song. So let's get started. I was sinking deep in sin, far from the peaceful shore, very deeply stained within, seeking to rise no more. But the Master of the sea heard my despairing cry, from the waters lifted me, now safe am I. Love lifted me, love lifted me, when nothing else could help. Love lifted me, love lifted me, love lifted me, when nothing else could help. Love lifted me. Okay, the chords used in this song is A major, E major, E7, and then D major, and then we have a B7. Okay, that makes up all the chords used to play this song. Quick review on how to play these chords. A major, what I typically do is use the bar across strings 2, 3, and 4 of the 2nd fret. Then play the bottom 5 strings. Or you can use a 3-finger chord, place finger number 1 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2, string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 3, string number 2 of the 2nd fret, and then strum all strings but the top E string. Or you can play A major, placing finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, and then place finger number 2 up on the 4th string instead, and then finger number 3 on the 2nd string, all on the 2nd fret, strumming all the strings but the top E string. A lot of fingers to place into one fret, so that's why I typically find it easier just to kind of bend my middle finger and play just by barring across all those strings. You just use whatever feels most comfortable to you to play. So that's A major, then E major, place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 1st fret, finger number 2 up on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, strum all strings. You want that top E string to ring out. Very beautiful chord, E major. Okay, and to play E7, you just simply lift off your 3rd finger, keep these 2 fingers planted, and play all strings. That is E7, E7, E major, E7, okay? Then D major, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, strum the bottom 4 strings. D major. Okay, and then the last chord to learn is B7. To play B7, you place finger number 1 on string number 4 of the 1st fret, finger number 2 upon the 5th string of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then your 1st string, your little finger is placed on that, also on the 2nd fret. Strum all strings but this top E string here. That is B7. Okay, that makes up all the chords used to play Love Lifted Me. The strumming pattern on this and the timing is in a 6/8 time. I know all the previous songs we've learned was primarily 4/4 time, 4 beats per measure, and then some songs 3 beats per measure or 3/4 time. This is 6/8 time, so there's 6 beats in a measure. Okay, there's 6 eighth note beats in a measure, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, for the actual strumming, you can just start off using down beats because it's a pretty fast rhythm to get 6/8 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. And then as you get used to that, you can put the upbeats in with that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's what I'll be using today, but I'll kind of slow it down for sake of learning. So let's look at the chord progression on the first verse. I was sinking, so it's 1. So we'll start off with A major. A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A major. 3, 4, 5, 6. A 7. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B. A major, A7, okay, so let's play through the verse one more time and I'll sing along with it and I'll kind of slow it down a little bit, okay. I was sinking deep in sin, far from the peaceful shore, very deeply stained within, seeking to rise no more. But the master of the sea heard my despairing cry. From the waters lifted me, now safe am I. Okay. So again, you can start off just using the down beats. Let's play the down beats just one time. See how easy that is. I was sinking deep in sin, far from the peaceful shore, very deeply stained within, seeking to rise no more. But the master of the sea heard my despairing cry. From the waters lifted me, now safe am I. Okay, that's a whole lot easier. You may want to just start off feeling comfortable playing that, and if you want to play the other faster strumming beats you can, or you can just simply play the down beats to keep it simple. Either one that works best for you. Okay, now let's look at the chords used to play the chorus. Okay, we'll be using A, E7, then we'll be using D, and then we'll have that B7 chord to put in. Okay, so let me kind of talk you through the chords on the chorus. Okay, we'll start off with A. So we're just hitting love, just partial measure here. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So let's play through it and sing it, and I'll just do the down beats only, just to keep it simple for learning. Okay. So it's love lifted me, love lifted me, when nothing else could could help. Love lifted me. Love lifted me. Love lifted me. When nothing else could help, love lifted me. Okay, so it's not too hard. The strumming is the hardest part of this song here, but you can slow it way down and keep it more simple to play. And of course, this song has a few more other verses that you can play and then repeat the chorus as well. So it shouldn't be too hard for you, but a beautiful song, beautiful hymn. If you like this lesson, like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button after this video. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found. You'll also be notified when I upload new videos. So I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. Hope everyone has a great day. God bless you.